Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate with cocoa powder. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need cocoa powder, sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. For the liquid, choose your favorite milk or a dairy-free alternative. This easy guide will help you create a comforting beverage in just a few minutes. Get ready to enjoy a warm, rich treat that's perfect for any time. Now, let's talk about the perfect proportions for one serving. You'll want about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. For sweetness, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You can always adjust this later. A small pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, really makes the chocolate flavor pop. Finally, you'll need 1 cup of your preferred milk to create that rich, comforting base. These ratios ensure a balanced and delicious cup. Let's get cooking. In a small saucepan, whisk together your cocoa powder, sugar, and salt until they are well combined. This prevents lumps later on. Next, gradually pour in the milk while continuously whisking. This creates a smooth mixture. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring frequently until it's hot and steaming. Be careful not to let it boil, as this can scorch the milk and alter the flavor. Just warm it gently. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly warm, pour it into your favorite mug. Now for the fun part, customization. Add a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a handful of mini marshmallows for extra indulgence. You can also stir in a splash of vanilla extract or a dash of chili powder for a unique twist. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, comforting hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.